I have an iPad Mini 3 here, and the guy says that the home, let's see, the fingerprint works, but the home button doesn't work, okay? And so I can't even zoom out anymore. Can I zoom out anymore? No, I can't zoom out. So this is the home button here, okay? I didn't even disassemble it because it takes me like 10 minutes to disassemble it, and I'm just not going to do it. This guy's super glued it all over here. No problems with that, okay? Not going to make it easy for the next guy to come in here and repair this, so I would not recommend super glue. But anyways, I looked at it, and here's how it works, okay? You got a home button here, you got the extension flex here, this is the fingerprint sensor is embedded in that. Can you see that? Okay. And then it goes to whatever this IC chip is, and then this is basically an extension cable here, okay? Let's see. You can kind of see it. This right here, and this goes all the way down here, down to the bottom here, connects to the logic board. So here's the deal, okay? I mean, I just looked at it under a microscope, and that's the problem right there, okay? You got, I think it's about like 16 pads here. Again, it goes all the way down here, and all these pads have to work in order for both the home button and fingerprint sensor to work, okay? So it looks like he ripped it. How bad? I don't know. I know that that is no good. So the thing is this salvageable? I think so. I mean, that looks like it's good. And then I think he just, let's see, that looks like that can be put back on there, and then that should be good with that. And I don't think there's anything down here. Yeah, there's nothing there. So I'm gonna attempt to make this work. Let's see. I mean, it would be a lot easier if I could just, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try not to rip this damn thing. So I'm gonna do it carefully, but definitely don't want to rip the fingerprint sensor, because that's bad news bears. But essentially what you want to do is, I'm just going to go like this and tape it, okay? I'm not going to muck with it too much here. I'm trying not to pull it. But there's a piece of tape on the back here, which will reveal the pads, okay? And if you notice, the pads have holes in them, which allow you to solder, okay? So essentially, you really just want to resolder these back on. I mean, it's no different than an iPad Air repair. iPad Air 2, I mean, sleep-wake sensor, or any kind of charge port repair. So I'm going to try to get in and out as quick as possible, and hopefully this will be good to go here after I'm done. I'm just gonna, not gonna do anything crazy. I mean, I don't even really want to disassemble this thing because it's gonna take me longer to disassemble it than solder it. So, anyways, so clean mop tip. Just get a little bit of solder on the tip here. Turn on my fume extractor and just kind of grip it and rip it. That's really about it. I mean, that's it right there. So let's take a look here. Just don't rip anything. I mean, if this is, I should probably wipe that clean, but yeah, I think, yeah. So we're good. I'm just gonna clean that up, clean that little bit of flux that I put on there up, and test it. I don't have the passcode to this thing, but I will get it tomorrow, and then I think all should be good. So, alright, so anyways, that is that. I'm going to remove this, make sure I don't rip anything else, and let's go back over here and take one more last look. Make sure this is, yeah. So that's nothing. That looks like it's pretty good. So make sure there's no hole there. I think that's pretty good. Alright, so that's it. Let's tape this sucker back here. And maybe put some capped on tape around it or something. I don't know. As a matter of fact, I'll just use the same one that I was using earlier. No, I'll get a new one. So, tape it like that. And we test it. Let's test it and let's test it and see how it goes. Alright. So this thing, I didn't even disconnect the battery on this thing, so can you guys see the Apple logo? Kind of. No, it's not gonna work under here. Need to get a webcam. Anyways, the Apple logo is on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to test the home button without having the passcode. Can I test the home button without the passcode? So the home button definitely works now, because when I hold it down, it says Siri not available. So, and I'm pretty sure the it's very sensitive though. It's very odd. It says Siri not available, and then when I hold my fingerprint down on it, it activates. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Pretty sure we're good, but I think the home button keeps activating by itself. I think you might have put a little glue in the wrong place or something weird. Anyways, I don't know how to test it without. I don't know how to test it without the home button. Without the passcode. So I'm gonna have to wait until I get the passcode tomorrow. But anyway, so that's how you fix iPad Mini 3 with a working fingerprint sensor but a non-working home button. Thanks for watching.